The Iskander-M missile system represents a pinnacle of Russian military engineering, combining hypersonic speed, pinpoint accuracy, and devastating payload versatility to create one of modern warfare's most formidable tactical weapons. Designed to replace older Soviet-era systems, this road-mobile ballistic missile platform has become a centerpiece of Russia's battlefield strategy, capable of striking targets up to 500 kilometers away with terrifying precision. Traveling at Mach 6 to 7, 2,100 to 2,600 meters per second, and maintaining atmospheric flight at 50 kilometers altitude, the Iskander-M defeats traditional missile defenses through a combination of speed and unpredictable flight patterns. Its quasi-ballistic trajectory incorporates terminal phase evasive maneuvers and decoy deployment, while thrust vector control enables mid-flight course corrections. This combination makes interception probabilities remarkably low. Ukrainian forces report only 4% success rates even with advanced Patriot systems. The missile's optical electronic guidance system achieves a circular error, probable CEP, of 5 to 7 meters when using terminal homing, allowing it to hit targets as small as a window frame. Recent upgrades include the 9M 723F3 variant with bunker-busting capabilities, featuring a penetrating warhead that burrows 15 meters into concrete before detonating. This enables destruction of underground command centers and hardened aircraft shelters previously considered safe from conventional strikes. Weighing 4,615 kilograms with an 800-kilogram warhead capacity, the Iskander-M carries multiple payload types. Thermobaric explosives creating 25,000 square meters destruction zones, cluster munitions dispersing 54 sub-munitions, EMP devices for radar suppression, tactical nuclear warheads, 0.1 to 50 kiloton yield. Recent deployments in Ukraine have demonstrated its effectiveness against air defense systems and critical infrastructure, with each strike equivalent to 2 football fields of devastation. Mounted on 8x8 MZKT 7930 transporter erector launchers, the system can fire 2 missiles within 60 seconds from the march order, then relocate before counterstrikes. This shoot-and-scoot capability, combined with Russia's reconnaissance strike complex network, enables real-time targeting updates from drones and satellites, compressing the detection-to-impact timeline to mere minutes. While originally constrained by the INF Treaty, Russia now develops the Iskander 1000 variant extending range to 1,000 kilometers, alongside cruise missile alternatives like the R-500. These advancements signal Moscow's intent to dominate the tactical missile arena, with serial production of enhanced models reportedly beginning in 2025. Since its combat debut in Georgia, 2008, the Iskander-M has become Russia's surgical strike instrument of choice, accounting for 60% of critical target engagements in recent conflicts.